Introducing our favorite Superman and the superstar from The Witcher, the one and only Henry Cavill. We know you won't be surprised to find out this majorly successful actor gets paid a lot of money. Well, he makes tons of money from Netflix alone. So, have you ever wondered how much money Henry Cavill has made until now? And how does he like to spend it? Let's find out. Henry Cavill is a fan of expensive luxury cars, and he has spent millions of dollars to make a collection of cars that he loves to ride. Like many other fellow celebrities, Henry also owns an Aston Martin. This car was Henry's first truly expensive car, and it adds some charm to his personality as well. The car is extremely fast, but not as fast as Superman, and it's definitely expensive. We will discuss his other unique cars later, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about how The Witcher star Henry Cavill spends his millions. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Henry Cavill is a British actor who has managed to acquire a massive net worth of $40 million. He is best known for his roles as Charles Brandon in Showtime's The Tudors, DC Comics' most famous character, Superman in the DC Extended Universe, Geralt of Rivia in the Netflix fantasy series The Witcher, and Sherlock Holmes in the Netflix film Enola Holmes. We all know how great the actor is from all his leading roles. Variety recently published a report that details just how much some of Hollywood's best and brightest actors are currently earning. According to them, Cavill makes $400,000 per episode on The Witcher. It's unclear if he also made the same amount on the first season, but he'll earn a little over $3 million for the upcoming 8-episode Season 2 alone. Henry Cavill says that he is not after the money. While money is important, he loves acting, and that is why he is doing what he does. Henry Cavill is a food lover and has been spotted in some of the world's most expensive restaurants. We can only assume he has spent thousands of dollars on pricey, delectable dishes around the world. "I didn't get to mess about and be a university kid, but I get to mess about now," he said, "and I've actually got money to spend on nice places, rather than having to go to grody pubs that stink of piss." Additionally, Henry has also been spotted at some of the most famous holiday destinations. He also said in an interview that the place he loved the most was Prague, and he has plans to visit Brazil and South America soon. But what about his mansions and expensive car collection? Well, don't worry, that is next on our list, so make sure you watch until the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Henry's car collection is the most famous collection in Hollywood, as he owns some of the most amazing cars, including a Ferrari 458 Spider, McLaren MP412C, Bentley Continental S, Bentley Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Wraith, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Cadillac XTS, and a Peugeot 306 GTI. And if those weren't enough pairs of wheels, he also loves to ride Ducatis, which can also be found in his impressive garage. Henry Cavill stated how he enjoys spending money on himself. "You've got to enjoy life. I mean, you've got to. When I'm making money, I'm spending it on nice stuff, whether that be lavish holidays for me and my friends, or just seeing something and going in a shop and saying, yeah, I want that for the house. I'm buying it, spending money on my friends, buying dinner for everyone, drinks for everyone. It's a nice place to be, and I like people to feel cared for," Cavill added. He has bought several mansions to call home. He owns a secluded mansion worth $5.5 million in Hollywood. He also has 5 other homes across the country. After coming this far in the video, we can surely say that Henry is one of the best actors from across the globe, and we expect to see his amazing talent continue to impress fans in future roles. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Henry Cavill? Which expensive purchase of his did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.